Hey, I'm Mako, this is Boots, and welcome to our crib. Come on through. Established circa 1849. History. Stuff we've done. 1955, our first TV ad. That's cool. But come through, let me show you the rest of the office. This is the pavilion where we hold all our events. We've had quite a few things on, so it's a good place to get some freebies if you're cheeky, but also to learn about a lot of things. Come on. And this is the coffee hub. I always get a latte, but if you fancy 200 degrees or if you want some Starbucks, we've got it for you over here. It's breakfast. We've got a selection of things if you want cereal and you're healthy, or if you're like me and you fancy a full English, over there. Bye. Come on, keep going. Sometimes people keep their lunches in the fridges. Shall we see what people have? Oh, there's some eggs in here. Thank you, Violet, for the yogurt. She needs her yogurt back. I did not nick someone's yogurt. We've got one of our balcony briefings today with our managing director, Mr. Anthony Hemmerdinger. They're always a good place to find out what's happening in the business. Come on through and I'll show you opticians next. Free eye tests, qualified opticians and optometrists always here for you, and discount glasses. This is the quiet zone. And this is Boots Studios. Come on in. Where all the magic happens. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling parched. I could do with a drink. This is the West End Cafe. You can get some more food, some snacks, some drinks. This is the place where all my rent money goes. Come on. There's always a good deal over here. And also, if you're a bit peckish, you can grab yourself a meal deal. Yeah. I'm going to show you the Beehive, which is Boots' internal creative agency. I can't take you in there because they're doing very creative stuff, but I'll show you where I go for lunch when it's not raining and it's sunny. I would have taken you outside, but it's pouring, it's miserable. Okay guys, I've got to go do my day job now, but seriously, I need you to get out. Get out, go, 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 go.